So as you can see here, I've got it mounted in the center of the windshield. Everything's locked and loaded. I've got this angled so that it's shooting over at me. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have some new camera mounts. Gonna be able to get some shots now that I haven't been able to get just yet in cars. So if you've watched the channel for a while, you know that I've done a lot of work out of helicopters and planes. We've strapped cameras underneath helicopters. We've strapped them on the side of helicopters. We put cameras all over the place. We've been strapped with GoPros when it comes to skydiving. When it comes to cars, I don't really have too much content. So what I did was I went out and I got these two Delkin mounts. So this is the Delkin Fat Gecko dual mount. This is gonna be able to hold cameras up to 8 pounds. I'll primarily use this for my vlog camera inside the car. I'll mount it to the windshield and then have the vlog camera pointed at me. And the reason why is because I drive a stick shift car currently. Both the YJ and the Mustang are stick. It's difficult to hold a vlog camera and drive a manual car at the same time. So we're gonna hook this up to the front so you can see what the shot looks like, and we can also test out how the sound quality is. All right, so we are out in the Mustang. We're gonna mount the Delkin Fat Gecko dual mount on the inside of the car to the windshield so that it can hold my vlog camera, and then we're gonna test out the sound and the picture quality. What we need to do to get this mounted first is take a microfiber towel and get it a little bit damp in a corner, and then we're gonna wipe off the area that we're gonna put the mount on and then dry it off, and then we just mount the mount. So you wanna line it up the way that you want it. So once you have it where you want it, you push down on it and lift up. So again, push, let's get a good angle. Push down and lift up. And then that's gonna lock this piece in place. So once you've done that, you can figure out the angle you want here on the arm in general. So I'm gonna guess that I want it off to the side like that and then hanging down. And then from there, we're gonna mount the camera down here. And now we have the dual mount in the front with the vlog camera. So as you can see here, I've got it mounted in the center of the windshield. Everything's locked and loaded. I've got this angled so that it's shooting over at me. So let's check out the sound. So right now I'm driving with the windows down, so it's probably a little bit noisy. I do have a dead cat on my vlog camera. I'm very interested in playing this back and seeing how good the sound quality is from the camera in the car. So I'm shooting on a ZV-E10. It's a Sony camera. So we're basically taking off and we're just gonna go over to South Beach real quick. So far with the Fat Gecko dual mount, this is being shot at 7 in the morning, close to sunrise. So probably not the most optimal lighting in the car. It probably makes sense for the sun to get a little bit higher and it'd be a better picture, but we'll keep testing it out. With this dual mount, one of the things I really like is that it's very easy to manipulate the arm on it and get the camera exactly where you want it. So that was really nice. It's also really sturdy. You know, when I first ordered it, I was expecting it to be like a little bit plasticky feeling, but it feels very heavy and solid. It can hold up to 8 pounds. I do have a little camera mount attachment that I'm gonna use for probably if I ever stick it on the outside of the car. But for the inside of the car, I feel like this is good enough. And again, I've been driving around with the windows down, so it's gonna be interesting in hearing the sound quality there. So we're back from our little trip to South Beach, and I'm extremely happy with the purchase of this Delkin Fat Gecko dual mount suction cup. As you all saw in the video, I used my Sony camera for this. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below if you're interested in getting one of these, but it held up really well. That Sony camera it's pretty light. It's just a little vlog camera. We're actually shooting on it right now, but it held it really sturdy, held it in place, didn't seem to bounce around that much. Also, you'll notice that in the video, I had the windows down the entire time. And although there was some wind noise and some outside noise, you could still hear my voice really well. I think that's probably more of a testament to the camera than it is the suction cup. But also it didn't pick up on any kind of rattling or jarring from the mount. Highly recommend this for a vlog camera for your car. Cars that I currently have are all stick shift, so trying to vlog without having something mounted to your windshield is very difficult. Check out the link below to my Amazon store. You can find this. It retails for $69.95. But right now I think it's on sale for like $55, so get there soon and get one before they go back up. Thanks again for watching, and as always, please let me know what you want to see more of in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also leave them down there as well. And be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.